Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the exact function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is pretty simple and it's used to compare two text strings and return true if they are the same and false if they are not the same. So what exactly it means? It means that it will compare, in our case we're going to have this table right here. We're going to compare this cell with this cell. If it's the same thing, it's going to be true. If it's not the same thing, it's going to return false. So this function contains only two arguments. So we need the text number 1 and the text number 2. So in this case, this would be the text number 1. This would be the text number 2. And we are going to compare all the elements right here with the elements right here. So let's try it out. So to be able to work with this function, we are going to start with an equal sign and then simply write down exact. Then the first element will be the text 1 that is here. Then after that, we're going to enter the text 2 that is right there, and we can close our parentheses. And just like that, it's going to be true because this cell is the same as this cell right here. Now we have high right here and high right here, which looks the same, but here it's not a capital letter and here it's a capital letter. So if we take this function and apply it to these cells right here, it's going to be false because once again, it's not 100% the same. If we do the same thing with those cells right here, it's going to be false as well because here we have hello and hello with a capital O. Then this cell right here, which is two words that are the same, it's going to be true. And finally, we have 5,000 and a certain date. So if we compare them, it's going to be true. So why exactly is it true? Why 5,000 is equal to this date? Well, it's pretty simple because in Microsoft Excel, each date is associated with a certain number. So if we take the date right here and convert it simply into a number, it's going to be 5,000 and 5,000 is equal to 5,000. So this is how we use the exact function inside of Microsoft Excel. So if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out the link down below with all my Microsoft courses. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.